Never, ever, 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 I mean, ever post your partner online. If you post your partner online, it is guaranteed that you're going to lose them. In my last video, I told you guys that I was going to do a lot more girl chat with you guys and be fully transparent with you guys. And I said, comment girl chat down below if you want to hear more, and a lot of you did. So here we are. So today's video is going to be a car girl chat, and this is something that has been like commented and talked about, and just it's spreading everywhere. And I wanted to get your perspective and share my experience with you with oh my goodness, share my experience with you guys so that we can talk. This is going to be a dialogue, not just me talking. I know it's a video, but I want you all to comment down below. Give me your honest opinion, especially the big sis and the aunties and the moms in the comment section, and the young people too. Everybody, I want everybody to comment. Let's make it fun. Let's make it a dialogue, and so we can all learn from each other. So I posted a video recently about my personal life, and I was telling you guys about what's going on, with the relationship and everything. By the way, today I'm a soldier, okay? This is a Liberian brand. They're called Liberian Vibes Only, and I love their stuff. And so I just got this set from them. It's not really a set. It's two different kinds, but I just wanted to pair them together. So that's what that is. But anyways, let's get back to the topic at hand. And like I said, please comment down below. As you're watching the video, comment what your thoughts are down below. So it's a dialogue. And if these kind of videos go well, we'll do more, okay? So as I said, recently I posted a video and I was talking about posting my partner, and then, bitter exes came out and tried to sabotage the whole thing, and, just went out and did the most, posting things, all of that. All right, so my question is, two things that I've been hearing recently. Number one is never ever post your partner online. Whoever you're dating, sometimes even your husband, do not post the person you're dating ever online. The reason for that, and some of the comments I've seen, is that there are evil eyes, and so that relationship is not going to work. The minute you post it, something's going to happen because of evil eyes. If you believe in evil eyes, comment down below and tell us what it even means. Another reason is that the exes might come out, maybe the exes that the previous person may have hurt, walked away from, or just somebody that's not over them is going to come out and try to ruin the situation. Or once you put your business out there, you put the person out there, now it's open for discussion, which is true. I'm a witness. I know this for a fact, and I'm a victim of it, and I'm a witness of it, okay? So that's one side to the story. The other side to the story is, if you post your partner online, especially prematurely, it might open them up to exposure. Is that a word? Exposure. So again, similar to what I just said before, people might come out and say, hey, this is who that person is. They did this to me. They used to be in prison. They have multiple children. They have multiple baby mamas. They're married. They're this, they're that. They might, all of their dirt might come out. I remember I was watching an episode of Real Housewife. No, it wasn't an episode. It was an interview. I think it was Kenya Moore. She was being interviewed, and they were asking her about her ex-husband. And they asked if she regret bringing him online and putting him on the show and things like that. And she said that, yes, she kind of regrets it, but that's also a part of her career, a part of her role on the show to share her life, which I agree. But what she did say that caught my attention was, she and the guy dated for a while, right? Everything was fine. They were getting to know each other. There were no drama. Once the guy appeared on the show, they started bringing out his old arrest records, his old partners, like old exes started coming out and saying things. People started targeting them. People started saying things about him, about her, and it created a lot of tension between the two of them. So she does regret that part, but also she didn't have a choice. Well, she did have a choice, but that's part of what you sign up for when you do a reality show. Okay, so that's one aspect. I want you all to comment down below. Do you think that that is true, about the evil eye or the exes coming out, or just jealous, bitter people trying to ruin it, and because of that reason you should never ever post your partner online? Another group of people say you absolutely must post your partner online. Why? Because especially in today's day and age, people are weird, for lack of better words. People are living double, triple, quadruple lifestyles. What do I mean by that? People say when you start dating someone and you guys are now committed to each other, I'm your girlfriend, you're my boyfriend, or you're my fiance, or we're getting married, we're moving in together, all of this stuff, you have to post the person online because we live in a day and age of social media. Why is that important? Everybody is on social media. That's number one. Number two, if you're dating someone who doesn't want you to post them anywhere, like at all, and they're saying, oh, it's because I'm private, oh, it's because I'm this, it's because I'm that, there is a great chance that they're hiding something. Recently, not even recently, for the life of social media, a lot of people get exposed on social media. Once the new person, posts their partner, their boyfriend, this and that, sometimes these people have a whole wife, whether it's back home or back home in Africa or wherever the person comes from, or even if you're an American, this person can have a whole family in another state or even in the same city, living with them, have children, and have a whole life. And they start dating someone new and they lie and just manipulate this person into thinking that you're the only one, I'm gonna marry you, and this and that. And so it's important to post that relationship online, because if any other owners of this person is out there, they can come out and say something. They can come out and expose it. And especially, I'm not saying as soon as you say hello to someone, post them. But again, once you decide, both parties decides that, hey, this is a committed relationship, we're in a relationship, and that's that. And now you're giving this person your time, your energy, your love, affection, just resources and things like that. It is not fair to keep that a secret, because this person could, again, have a whole life. They could have a whole family. They could have multiple other women that they're dealing with. And if this situation is not exposed publicly, you'll never know. And you could go a year, a few months, or years thinking that you're in a committed relationship with this person, when the whole time this person has a whole life. So those are the two arguments that I've heard recently. So when I posted that video, a lot of people were saying it's never good to post your partner online because of, what I explained before, the evil eye and jealousy and bitter exes. But then other people are like, you must post the person, because just in case they're hiding something, or just in case other people know them more than you do, they can come out and expose it so that you don't waste your time. So here's my question to you all. Is it a good idea to post the person you're dating online? Or is it a bad idea? Because let's be honest, whether you post someone online or not, like this is in the future I'm talking about, whether you post a person online or not, most times posting people online is not what ruins the relationship. It can be because of abuse, narcissism, lies, cheating. Anything can break a relationship. And even if you're married, people get divorced all the time. So, but as far as just social media as a whole, what side are you guys on? Post the person or don't post the person? I want you guys to comment down below. Please, please, please comment. I want to know. And if you would like more girl chats, comment girl chat down below. We're going to do these from the house, from the car, from a closet, everywhere. So comment your thoughts down below, and I look forward to discussing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.